Good morning, hello my friends. Yeah, so today we are actually changing rooms. So I stayed in a dorm room last night for 150 Swedish kroners, like 15 euros. Oh, but now we are going to change room to a private room here at the Cloud International Hostel, youth hostel as well. So yeah, it's a quite nice place. So we are in China. Yeah, yeah, I did forget about that. Yeah, we are in China. Just arrived yesterday in Kunming. So I will show you the room for the first time. Was a really nice place. Three or six. Yeah, here you have it. Wow. I think this costs like $25 for a private room. Wow, close to well, wow, yeah. Look like a good day here in China as well. So yeah. So, oops, sorry, wrong. Yeah, so I paid like, yeah, if you pay, I think it was $25 or something. 3 nights I will stay here. Yeah, quite, yeah. I get water, a good view from to a pink old building. Yeah. A TV and a bathroom. Slippers. Oh. Ah. I think they, oh. Hotel supplies. Yeah, this is like more a proper hotel room. Yeah. Yeah. So, welcome to China. So, what we will do in the video, I don't really know. This is my like the first holiday in China coming. I think we will just see what the day takes us. Yeah. So, let's do China, my friends, for at least for 3 or 4 weeks we are in China. So this will be an adventure. Maybe a culture shock, some interesting food, yeah, you name it. So it's also all the videos from here is like unplanned as usual. So don't expect any amazing great content. Just my content, my personal experience from China. So let's see what we can do here in China. Or maybe I'll just end the video here actually. Just, yeah, it's a small room tour video, a small hostel video. Yeah, I think so. And the next video will be Kunming. Yeah, see here if it's working. Yeah, it's working. Oh yeah, yeah, maybe that is the best. Next video, other pink building. And here you have it. Oh. So this is a Cloud International Youth Hostel, I think. So, see you in the next one when we are doing China. Yeah.